Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial of Neutral Arts. My name is Bulls and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to create an object marketplace profile. Well, first of all, what we need is a wallet, a Tezos compatible wallet. I have already my Kukai wallet created and we are going to go to objkt.com, objkt.com. Once we are in the marketplace, we are going to go to the connect button in the right upper corner. I click connect. It's going to ask me which wallet I want to use. I'm going to choose Kukai, which is the one I'm using. I'll use the use browser button because I'm on the desktop computer. Once I click there, I'm going to go to the Kukai wallet and I have to sign the connection to the object marketplace. I click connect. And now it's asking me for a password. Let's remind that Kukai frequently asks for your password every time you sign something. I signed. And as you can see, I'm already logged in the platform. Here it explains a little bit for, what Objkt is about for different profiles like curator, builders, collectors. But if I go, a little bit down in the web page, I click edit my profile. And once I'm here, as you can see, it's requesting me to, fill some spaces. I will choose my profile picture. It has to, be less than 1 megabyte. Now I pick my name. I will just do tutorial 1, 2, 3, a description of my profile. Okay. A website, if I have a website, and I can connect different, social media profiles. I recommend, at first at least connect X, and I just click on update profile, and that's it. You have your profile created. Remember, it's always good to connect your social media, so if a collector discovers your profile, they can access, a social media of your own, so they can know more about you. That's all. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did and you find it useful, I ask you to please subscribe, give a like, maybe leave a comment, and I see you at the next one.